Good evening, it is Brian at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I want to show you this car here, which is a 2015 Toyota AURIS, and this is a 1.4 diesel Luna. Just in case why you're wondering why there's no number plates, the car has just been cleaned. It has different number plates from a different garage where it was, I think, Sandyford Toyota, where it was previously purchased. So I have new number plates coming for it, but I just want to get the video up and done tonight, that's all. Anyway, Brian is my name, Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. We are a Honda, Hyundai, Mercedes dealer, and then we also do after sales for Toyota and also Lexus as well, so we're experienced with these Toyotas. So this is, as we were saying, a 1.4 D4D Sol. It's really nice condition. Previous owner's done a really nice job looking after the car, I think. So we're going to have a run around condition and we'll go through some of the features on the car. So let's start at the back here. The first thing I like about these AURIS, this is the facelift. By the way, if you're looking at a 2015 AURIS, from my limited knowledge of Toyotas, we'll say in terms of exact specifications, there is a facelift in 2015, and this, I believe, is the facelift. So the grille and the taillights are a little bit different to some of the other AURISes I've seen advertised. I've seen ones basically advertised that are 2014 into 2015. They look the same. This one is a 152 Dublin registered car, so later parts of the year looks like there is a facelift on it. So anyway, let's get back to where we were. Nice LED taillights. I think they're quite nice and distinctive along the back of the car. This chrome trim is quite nice on the boot. That could be standard, I'm not sure, but it probably is on a Luna. And actually, they used to put sticker badges on these, but actually they're proper little chrome badges. I remember when we used to do Toyota here brand new, it was just kind of like a sticker that was stuck on. And actually down at the bottom, there's quite a nice bit of chrome down through the rear, so I think that car, the facelifts, they've done quite a nice job all the way around. In terms of condition on the car, this bumper corner over here is quite nice. That boot lid is in excellent condition. The camera we can see is poking down through here, so you can always clean that when the camera gets muddy. We will be putting 152 Dublin registered number plates on it. You'll see in the advert anyway the actual the registration of the car. Bumper's really nice condition all the way down there. Car looks tidy and original all the way down the side. This rear right-hand wheel even is in excellent condition. We'll have a look at the tyres, although I actually have to say that is quite a good looking tyre there, but we'll have a look at that when it goes through our workshop. So door is in good condition. More chrome, so it must be on the Lunas. Quite nice actually. I like a small little bit of chrome on a car like that. Moving around here, this front right hand side wheel is in excellent condition. Let's turn off that engine, because I'm sure when it comes through in the video it's not too nice to listen to. Right, moving around to the front of the car. So as we're saying, the wheel is in nice condition. We'll need to check to see what way tyres are at the front of the car again. Moving around, that front bumper is in excellent condition. These are daytime running lights and also parking lights in this case. Full and dipped headlight in through there. Again, more chrome all the way down and up on the bonnet. So again, I'm not sure where the theme is in terms of Toyota, but I have noticed this kind of cross or X kind of look on the front of them. It seems to be a common theme on them as they have facelifted them, and there's more chrome again down at the bottom of the bumper. So again, condition nice coming around to that side of the bumper and going back down this wing. All original down the side in terms of doors and other panels. Condition again on the wheel overall. This one, small little bit of curbing along there, so we'll have to, is it dirt? Yeah, a little bit of curbing there, so we're going to have to take care of that, so that'll be sorted. After that then, more chrome down through there and around to this rear wheel. Excellent condition. So I would go as far as saying the only blemish I can really be picky on that car so far is front left wheel needs a refurbish, so that's an easy job. We can do that in-house. After that then, in terms of the boot, the lighting here is not great, so give me one. So again, that's made a little bit of a difference actually. You can see what's going on there now. So there's a light up through here. The boot is in really excellent condition. Actually, the previous owner took a floor mat out of it, so he had protecting the rear. And down under here, yes, we do have a spare wheel with a toolkit with a little bit more storage in through there. So let's have a look in around the back. I know I keep talking about it. Chrome. The Toyota Auris Luna has lots and lots of chrome. That's a good thing actually, it looks nice. Right, let's get around here and open up this door here. And right, okay, in terms of the interior, door cards are in excellent condition. There is a fully automated electric window back here. There's a speaker down through here. There's a child lock in through there. The rear has three 3-point safety belts lighting up through there. Because it's a Luna, I presume it gets an armrest with a drinks holder. There is ISO-fixed points on both sides in through there as well. There's kangaroo storage in through here. More little bits of storage in through there. And as I was saying, condition-wise is quite nice on that car throughout. History in the car is previously owned by Sandyford Toyota up in Dublin. And then our owner that traded into ourselves, he traded in actually for a brand new, sorry, not a brand new, a nearly new Honda Civic 4-door, and he actually had a Honda Civic before as well. So, but they're very, very complementary products. A lot of people that like Japanese cars, they like Hondas, they like Toyotas. Piano black in through here, which is quite nice. Front and rear electrics in through there. That seat is adjustable height-wise, it's adjustable back and forward. That steering wheel is adjustable up and down and in and out and all that kind of stuff as well. Right, let's see what's going on in through here. So, Toyota Auris dashboards I think have come a long way. We did sell them brand new years and years ago. They were good and functional. That's a bit of storage with a movable armrest, but sorry, continuing on, I think they've improved an awful lot. So ashtray in through there, which is clean and unused. Drinks holder down through there. Traction control in through here. Nice, Toyota always made really nice gearboxes. So 6 forward gears, and I would imagine, yes, we have a reverse camera in through there as well. So that's quite good. You got USB connectors, 12 volt outlet over through here. You got climate air conditioning in through there, all digital and easy to use. And actually look, it's on the screen now as well, so that's kind of cool. I didn't realize that before. So a lot of the stuff, so that screen is really improved actually. Air conditioning, and after that then automatic climate, as we were saying. Controls up here on the steering wheel for radio and Bluetooth. Controls over here then for radio and trip information and all that kind of stuff in through there. We have cruise control in through there now as well. Electrics for mirrors, height of the lights, and in terms of the dash, all nice and tidy as you'd expect. And a bit of leather coating actually over there, so nice materials used on the car overall. This is all touch and swipe, so volume on and off, general setup on the car. Bluetooth and audio display and things like that, vehicle settings, so easy to use, touch and swipe. Back out through there, map, no, not available, but I didn't think it was anyway. So media then, where you want music to come from and all that kind of stuff as well. Trip information in through here, so I'm just going to start it up. So information in through there is going to do nothing because all my doors are open. So back to the trip meter. Once I close all the doors, then I can go through general settings in through here, like we'll say how much fuel have I got left, average speed, and we can move on to the next one, which is music, or we can move on to the next one, which is general information about the car, or general settings and languages and all that kind of stuff as well. And one other cool thing that I just found out actually is actually over here, this seat is height adjustable. I know that's not important maybe to some people, but that's actually pretty damn rare on a lot of cars in that size. So height adjustable passenger seat. So many people complain about that not being available in cars. I quite like the two-tone effect overall as well. One not so cool thing that I just figured out is the seats are wet. Because the lads have obviously cleaned them with a wet vacuum. They left it inside overnight. I've just jumped into it and now my bum is wet. Anyway, that car, very, very nice condition. If you are looking for a Toyota Auris 1.4 diesel, these things are very, very reliable. They hold value very, very well. They're well equipped. They look nice. And as I was saying to you, this is the facelift version. It is a car that's 190 big ones, I think, for the year. 190 euros for the year, and also it for road tax, that is, and also it is very, very frugal. They are 55 or so miles per gallon all day long without even trying. But overall, I would say to you, if you're familiar with the Auris, great. This one is a very, very nice first of the facelift 2015 model, so I'd recommend viewing. If you're not familiar and you're looking for a car that's easy to run with a good level of equipment, this is definitely a car I could recommend very, very much for beating up and down the road. We can take your trade in, give you a good finance package overall, and away you go then for maybe 3, 4, 5 years, whatever suits. And I think it looks really nice. in silver, actually, with little bits of chrome, matches the colour of the wheels. Anyway, it'll go through our workshop. We'll give 12 months warranty. 2015, can't get it through the NCT, well, depending when you buy it, can't get it through the NCT yet, but it'll leave here with an NCT guarantee. Anyway, hopefully this video is of use. If you want any information on the car, please do give me a shout. 086 843 1945. Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. We are a family run business in operation for almost 70 years. Brian is my name. If you come to the garage, please do ask for Brian. I'd appreciate it. And if you want any estimates on your car's value or finance packages before you travel, do not hesitate to give me a shout. Thank you for taking time to watch.